Dr. Miele, welcome here at Living Tomorrow. Miele is a partner in this Living Tomorrow Innovation Campus in Brussels. And there are some questions that we would like to ask you. With the chef's table that we have here on the 12th floor, the top of the Innovation Campus, Miele and Living Tomorrow shows a glimpse of how we will cook in the future. And why did Miele choose to participate in this innovation project showing future things in Living Tomorrow?
First of all, thank you very much for having me. And the food lab, as we call it, is very, very important for us because it is a great showcase for what is possible in the future. We integrated a lot of topics which are still in a prototype stadium together with appliances that are already on the market. And we want to show what people can do. And what I find really very interesting is that we have different competence levels of chefs, for example, and we can cater for the needs of those different levels, as well as different levels in age, for example. You learn as you go and you learn more, and this is what the system can really detect and help and provide as much help as you need. That's the cooking companion. What is as well very important is the nutrition assistant. So you can decide, first of all, whether there is an allergy and replace items, but also recommendations what you could do more and less, and you can opt in and opt out, also for different parts of the family. So we realized a lot of things we had in our idea labs and said, let's put it out onto the showcase Living Tomorrow to show it to the customers and get feedback, of course.
Thank you. And I just saw it, and it's a fantastic innovation. It's nice to see how it really interacts with people. Now, that cook assistant, it plays an important role in Miele's vision for the future. And can you briefly explain that, why this is so crucial for you, for Miele?
So, of course, we have been a producer of appliances, but it's not only about appliances, but it's about the whole system. And the whole system starts already with the wish to cook, the list you create and the ingredients, and then how do you prepare it. So you get a holistic view of the whole process. And this is very, very important for us, that we do not only produce single appliances, but we cater for the needs of our customers inside the kitchen when it comes to storing, recipe, and so on. And we learn a lot with this system about our consumers, about the benefits and about the wishes of our consumers.
Interesting. What evolutions and innovations in our home are going to break through in the coming years? And no one has a crystal ball, but
yeah, that's true.
I was in Gütersloh and I saw you working on so many futuristic things. So what do you think will break through?
So I can't tell everything, of course, but you will see more AI-powered software inside the appliances that will help you. The one thing I'm always referring to is you need to create a user benefit. So it's not only about including technology, but it's about putting technology to life to improve your life. And we have just talked about our company slogan, and to make your life immer besser, which means forever better or always better in German. And this is what we strive for, and this is what we do.
Okay, thank you. Well, you were talking about the baseline, so immer besser. Sustainability is an obvious part of this, I guess. So what you elaborate on this, how does Miele commits to this sustainability challenge for tomorrow?
So I think we are in a great position because we test our appliances to last 20 years. That is great. And this is also one of the reasons why a lot of people buy Miele appliances. But this will surely not be enough in the coming generations. So we are looking deeply, of course, into the topic of recycling, reusing. And I want to give you an example that it's not only about material or packaging, but we are also looking into business models, cradle to cradle, for example. So what do we have to do and how do we have to look at the appliance if, for example, we will take it back in 20 years or 10 years or whenever. What do we do with the material? What do we do with the parts and so on? And now I say we have a lot of questions, and always when young people ask me about whether everything has been invented in the appliance industry, I say no. We have a lot of questions when it comes to cradle-to-cradle principles. So if you want to really save the world, come to Miele and help us solve these questions, because there will be a lot of questions also in the future which have to be answered.
Thank you. The slogan for Living Tomorrow is we cannot predict the future, we can invent it. We're so happy that Miele, that you, your teams, are part of this. Thank you for building the future together with us.
Thank you very much.